Today's session will discuss about Python data types. First of all, what do you mean by data type? And what is meant by data item? A particular kind of data item as defined by the values it can take, the programming language used, or the operation that can be performed on it. For example, if you take, suppose when we say a equal to 10. So as we knew, 10 is a number. It is not a floating point number. It is a integer. So for this, data type is int. Okay, that is int data type. So let me write the definition. First, data item. A particular kind of data item as defined by the values it can take. As we discussed, a equal to 10, that is a integer number. Depends on the programming language used. Or the operations that can be performed on it. Data types are the classification. Again, now we'll discuss about data type. These are the classification or categorization of data items. We already discussed about data items here. Example, a equal to 10. This is int data type. B equal to 10.0. This is float data type. C equal to welcome. Let us say this is a string. Likewise, we have some other things. So dictionary, then set, tuple, list. We'll discuss one by one. Since everything is an object in Python programming, data types are classes and variables are objects of these classes. So these data types, when we say int, float, string, and also set, list, tuple, are all classes, and variables we treat as objects. The Let us see classification in detail. Data types, classes, and if we see what is the description for it. numeric. So data types basically numeric, the first one, and then if you come, what are the clauses in numeric? Int, float, and complex. Now, if you see the description, holds this particular thing holds numeric values. Then come to string class str hold sequence of character chars. Then sequence list tuple range holds collection of items. Then mapping dictionary holds data in key value pair form. Then boolean bool holds either true or false. Then the last set and Trojan set holds collection of unique items. These are the classification. So in next session, we'll discuss about numeric data type. That's all for this video.